Hi, Teacher Tina. I hope you're well and in high spirits. I would like to ask your advice. I am a single mom juggling work, parenting, and household chores. We have no helper. Most of the time, my 10-year-old child is left alone at home. Our setup kapag nasa trabaho ako, pinupuntahan siya ng kamag-anak sa aming bahay at ang kamag-anak na rin ang sumusundo. At pagdating sa bahay, pakakainin siya ng dinner tas aalis na siya. My child has a cell phone for easier communication. But my child is always on the phone all the time, habang kumakain, habang naliligo, even habang nag-aaral, naka-cellphone siya. Hindi na siya masaway. I saw the cellphone charging and I tried to open it. At sa Snapchat with classmates ng kaibigan niya, one of the classmates sent a porn site. And when I tried to confront my child, pinapaamin ko siya ayaw niyang magsalita. Then sinabi ng pinadala yon ng classmate niya. I lost it. Galit na galit ako. Marami akong binitawan na masasakit na salita. Also accusing my child na kaya siya di makapag-aral ng mabuti ay dahil sa kaka-cellphone at kung ano-ano palang inaatupag instead na mag-aral siya. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Hirap na po ako sa kanya. What will I do po, Teacher Tina? Thank you very much and more power. Thank you so much for the mom who sent us this message. And I totally understand the plight of all single mothers who are trying to balance everything. Binigay po niya ang cellphone dahil nga naman mag-isa lang minsan sa bahay together with a relative, and for easier communication, binigyan niya po ng cellphone. Unfortunately, mommies and daddies, a 10-year-old po kasi, kung gusto lang po natin ng communication with our children, bigyan lang po natin sana ng cellphone na puwedeng mag-call at mag-text. Madami po ngayong available na ganyang phone dahil nakikita na rin po ng mga gumagawa ng cellphones na hindi po talaga puwedeng mawala yung gano'ng cellphone, at hindi po kasi lahat ng bata ay dapat naka-smartphone. Lalong-lalo na kung 10 years old lang po siya. And this is one of the dangers that can happen when a child is left unattended or a gadget is unmanaged in the hands of a 10-year-old child. Para po kayong nagpapapasok ng strangers sa inyong bahay. And in this case, it came from a classmate, the link of a porn site. That in itself is very dangerous, regardless kung babae o lalaki ang anak ninyo. Pornography should not be available in the gadgets of your children. So if we are going to give a gadget to our children, please put the necessary software so that they are not able to go to these sites. Now, for this particular mommy, ang suggestion ko po talaga ay to remove first the smartphone from the 10-year-old. I understand yung emotional po kayo when you found out, and the anger of a parent is usually coming from guilt, because nga naman nakita nga natin doon sa letter ng mom na she's already struggling balancing work and family life. Wala po silang kasambahay, and then suddenly makakakita ka na nga naman ng ganitong site sa telepono ng inyong anak. Doon pa lang sa laging naka-cellphone ng anak ninyo, kahit kumakain, kahit I think parang the whole time naka-cellphone lang po ang anak niya, hindi na po yun healthy for a child, especially for a child who is just 10 years old. You have to manage it very, very well. Mahirap, and the fact that you're already having conflict is already a sign that it's time to manage the gadget use. You have to set boundaries or rules or routines kung kailan lang po siya pwedeng to go online, if at all. Mabuti po na nakita nyo ang GC. Ngayon, I also don't want moms, when you allow a child to have a group chat and they're under the age of 13, number one, you have to know the password of your child because they're very, very young. And things like this exact situation can happen, that there are adult websites being shared in the group chat. That's one. Second is, if you allow the child to have a group chat and she's this young or he is this young, kailangan nyo na po siyang abisuhan na paminsan-minsan kailangan yung i-check yung group chat. because that is your job, to keep him safe or to keep her safe. So kailangan po may access kayo dun sa group chat niya. Mas mabuti po na wala na lang, hindi po ba? Kung 10 years old lang po siya. Dun po sa pagiging galit ninyo, galit na galit kayo, hindi niyo na po alam ang gagawin. And I said earlier that it's coming from a lot of guilt because, parents think, napabayaan ko ba? Bakit nangyayari to? But let me just request you to take one step back, mommy. First of all, your child is 10 years old. That is the age wherein they should be taught already sex education, because that is the time or level that a child is being taught the reproductive system in school. So the curiosity is already there. Yung galit po ninyo, naiintindihan ko po yan. However, meron ba kayong definite rule? Have you talked to each other about pornography? About websites that he cannot go to or she cannot go to? About sex education? I suggest that you sit your child down and have this talk already. Na anak, or if you are not ready to have that talk, ask for help from a counselor or from somebody in school or their science teacher to help you discuss these things with your child. Hindi po lahat ng magulang ay komportable na kausapin ng kanilang anak regarding sex. Lalong-lalo na po, I understand if you are a single parent kasi parang mag-isa lang po kayo to tackle this problem. But this is the age po kasi talaga that they are curious. That is why doble ang ingat din natin kung saan nila nakukuha yung information. Kaya mas stricto po tayo sa boundaries regarding internet usage. Okay? I hope that you and your child can sit down during a calm moment, talk about what happened. If you want, you can even apologize for allowing your emotion to get ahead of you. And sabi mo, anak, nag-worry kasi ako sa'yo. At itong site na to, hindi mo siya pwedeng puntahan dahil hindi ito pwede para sa isang bata. Dahil meron kang makikita dyan na hindi pa ready ang brain mo to absorb or to understand. And we do not, and as a family, you can talk about what your feelings are regarding pornography. Right? So kung meron po kayong information na gustong i-share sa anak ninyo about it, na meron kayong personal belief about it, doon nyo po sasabihin. Kaya hindi po dapat napapayagan. When we catch our children dabbling with pornography, we have to do something right away. We cannot sweep it under the rug. Regardless kung lalaki o babae ang anak ninyo, because some would say, ay lalaki, pabayaan na natin. Hindi po ganon. A 10-year-old cannot fully understand and will misconstrue kung ano man ang napapanood niya in these sites. It is very dangerous for their belief system, for their self-esteem, and their overall view about sex in the family. Okay? Kailangan po nating itigil ang access. For the last part of my suggestion to the mom, kung kaklase po ang nagpadala and it is a school GC, you have to inform the administration that this is being exchanged in the group chat para po matigil. Meron po kayong katuwang na matigil ang exchange of these kinds of sites. Okay. So, Mommy, thank you so much for writing to Teacher Tina, and I hope I was able to help you out. I asked permission from Mommy if I can use their story, and I hope that you'll be able to speak to your child. I hope that you can come up with an agreement on the rules of internet usage and gadget use. And I hope that you can also think of other activities that your child can do para po mabawasan ang hindi naman po dapat talaga 24/7 na nakakabit yung gadget sa kahit sinong bata or kahit sinong adult, actually. So, Sana po makahanap tayo ng alternative activities, pero ang pinakaimportante po ay sana mapag-usapan ninyo ang values ng pamilya ninyo, ng maliit ninyong pamilya. Kung saan kayo where do you stand when it comes to sex education, pornography, internet use, and respect for one another, na kung gagawin ninyo 'tong rule na 'to, dapat po sumunod siya. Kundi may mga consequences na mangyayari. Puwede niyo pong tanggalan ng gadget use totally, hindi po ba? Mahirap po talaga 'pag nabigay na natin. Mas mahirap po kung medyo addicted na po siya to use it. Pero possible po siya at kailangan niyo pong bawasan. So marami pong salamat for sending this message to Teacher Tina, and I hope I was able to answer your question.